CFCs. These are also primary pollutants, that is chlorofluorocarbons. These chlorofluorocarbons are generated from the ACs and refrigerators, and these are the major gases which affects the ozone layer in the stratosphere. And we know that the degradation in the ozone layer causing skin diseases in human beings. These are the different chemical pollutants like lead, cadmium, mercury, nickel, which are affecting human health. Lead is the more dangerous as it is damaging the nervous system of human being. Next is the particulate matter. The particulate matter is nothing but it is the solid or liquid matter that is suspended in the air. These particulate matter enters into the human lungs. They can cause different problems like asthma attacks, respiratory problems, or premature death. Different greenhouse gases are also added into the primary pollutants. We have discussed already carbon dioxide, which is one of the greenhouse gases, and methanols, which is generally produced from the cow dung. Then secondary pollutants. As we have discussed, secondary pollutants are nothing but when the reaction between primary pollutants with natural components as well as between two primary pollutants takes place. The production of secondary pollutants happen. This production of secondary pollutants creates smog. What is smog? Smog is nothing but smoke plus fog. Addition of smoke into the fog. This is the formation of smoke. Nitrogen oxides and different volatile organic compounds liberated from the emission of automobiles, and reaction takes place due to the sunlight and it forms brown photochemical smog. This photochemical smog affects human health. It can create irritation in your eyes, it can create irritation in your throat, it can create shortness of breath, different chest pains, inhaling problems created due to this smog. Ground level ozone. Many of us don't know that the ozone is present in lower layer of environmentals, that is troposphere. This ozone is harmful to human being, which is the lower level of environment. If this ozone layer is directly inhaled, then it creates again different diseases related to respiratory system. Generally, ozone is created by the reaction between nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds in the presence of sunlight. This ozone, if it is present in lower level, it is harmful. This is the figure which gives you an idea that presence of ozone layer at lower level in the troposphere, then it is harmful, and if it is present in stratosphere, it is helpful to protect us from the ultraviolet radiation. So now we will move to the main point of this chapter, that is sources of air pollution. What are the sources of air pollution? You can call it as the causes of air pollution also. In the exam, it may be asked that causes of air pollution, it may be asked sources of air pollution. The meaning is same. The first source of air pollution is emissions from the industries and manufacturing activities. As we all know that as the development is taking place, number of industries, number of manufacturing activities are increasing day by day, but with that pollution is also increasing. Different Mechanical industries, different chemical industries are adding into the air pollution. Second source of air pollution is burning fossil fuels. Fossil fuels like petrol, diesel are used in the automobile, create different type of harmful gases that we have discussed earlier. That may be carbon monoxide, that may be NO2. The third source of air pollution is agricultural activities. Fertilizers, the pesticides, the insecticides we are using in our farm is creating air pollution. Actually, the agricultural activities creates water pollution more, but the chemicals which we are using into the fertilizers, which we are using to improve the production of crops, is affecting air pollution also. Next cause of air pollution is mining operation. Different mining operations get large amount of dust particles added into the environment. Also, different chemicals coming out of that directly added into the environment. And the last cause of air pollution is indoor air pollution. First four causes are outdoor air pollution, and there are some indoor air pollution. You will be surprised that how air pollution takes place in our house. Different bacteria and viruses present at our home. Also, different chemicals used in the paint. The different chemicals used to clean our household appliances, the floors, added some amount of gases into the environment. If we are using our own household garage, then there is a production of different gases due to carbon monoxide. Different gasoline fumes are there present. The kitchen, different smokes are added. Different cleaning agents are used in the household. Creates air pollution. So these are the sources of air pollution. The remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in the next video. It will contain effects of air pollution and how we can control air pollution.